Hello, and here are our learning menus for Monday, November 3rd through Friday, November 7th. So, the kids will have writing this week, writing calendar and happy numbers. And please know there is no school on Tuesday. We teachers have a full day of professional development from 7:30 in the morning until 3:30. So we're going through different sessions of professional development at the high school. We will have muffins and munchkins on Wednesday, so I hope you've signed up. But we start Monday with science, and we're going to be handling and observing the three main types of rocks, and we're going to learn the rock cycle song, and they'll get to perform that. The kids will go to art and have snack. For math, we're going to work on 2-digit times 1 multiplication. And for literacy, we're going to have our focus groups and then work on capturing moments, which is the history of photography. After lunch and recess, we have Math Win, and it's our third session. Again, we do not have a school on Tuesday, so Wednesday we begin with writing. We have finished with opinion, so we're going to do some informative writing, but we begin with our district's common writing prompt. And the kids will have 2 days to work on that. They'll read the passage, complete their organizer, and then type it. The kids will go to gym and then have the original Miss Alexa for social emotional learning. We'll have snack, and for math, we're going to extend to 3-digit times 1 digit and 4-digit times 1 digit using the area model and the standard algorithm. So, like old school. For literacy, we're going to reread Capturing Moments, the history of cameras, and then complete our organizer and our, 2 T's. Let me add that. Written responses. After lunch and recess, we have science, and we're going to look at the fossil record. On Thursday, we begin with music, and for science, we're going to have a review day because the test is on Monday, November 10th. We'll have snack and math. We're going to do lessons 9 and 10 using the standard algorithm to multiply 3- and 4-digit numbers. For literacy, we're going to learn about the history of telephones with Speak Up. And then after lunch and recess, we have session 4 of Math Win for times 10, times 100, times 1,000. And now we're on Friday, TGIF, November 7th. And we begin with digital learning and then go to music. For writing today, we're going to begin our informative unit, which is gathering evidence by reading and watching videos about the city of Seoul. We'll have snack. For math, we're going to take the topic C quiz, which is multiplying 2-digit, 3-digit, and 4-digit numbers by 1 digit using the standard algorithm with some word problems as well. For literacy, we're going to do the organizer and written response for the Speak Up, the history of telephones. And then after lunch and recess for science, it's another review day. We have our test on Monday, November 10th. And we have library to end our day. So it's going to be a lovely Friday. We hope you have a wonderful weekend.